Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good broth for ramen. Crafting an exceptional ramen broth begins with selecting the finest ingredients. You'll want to choose bones rich in collagen, like pork trotters or chicken carcasses, to achieve that desired depth and body. Don't forget your aromatics. Fresh onions, garlic, and ginger are essential. A large stock pot is also key for simmering everything perfectly and extracting maximum flavor over several hours. Achieving a clear, flavorful broth requires careful simmering. Begin by skimming off any impurities that rise to the surface during the first hour or two. This step is crucial for clarity. Always maintain a gentle simmer, never letting your broth come to a vigorous boil, as this can emulsify fats and make it cloudy. Pork-based broths often need 8 to 12 hours of simmering, while chicken broths are usually ready in 4 to 6 hours. Once your broth has simmered, it's time to build its unique flavor profile. For a powerful umami boost, consider adding kombu and dried shiitake mushrooms during the last hour of simmering. The true magic often happens with the tare, a concentrated seasoning added to each bowl just before serving. Remember to taste and adjust salt levels carefully. A small amount of soy sauce or mirin can also introduce wonderful complexity to your finished broth. Proper storage ensures your delicious ramen broth remains fresh and safe. After cooking, cool the broth rapidly, perhaps in an ice bath, before transferring it to the refrigerator. It will keep well in airtight containers for about 3 days. For longer enjoyment, freeze individual portions. Frozen broth can last for up to 3 months. When you're ready to use it, simply thaw it overnight in the refrigerator and gently reheat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.